A key focus of the government's determination to make the UK energy sector the best in Europe is on health and safety. A knowledge transfer programme at Fiddler's Ferry Power Station in Cheshire that brings together 4 organisations is showing how this can be done. It's a partnership between the station landlords, Scottish and Southern Energy, PJD Group, who supply a large percentage of the contracted workforce, the British Safety Council and Manchester Metropolitan University.
The variety of ideas coming from different backgrounds and different sources nearly almost guarantee the innovation of the programme, and in this particular case exactly that happened.
The key lies in changing the approach to communication. In a high-pressure, dangerous working environment, how you communicate is as important as what you communicate. The bedrock of this KTP has been the one-to-one communication process, in which everybody is trained on conversational skills.
It is all about communication, you know, and it's something we hadn't really been doing before. And it was always about engaging in conversation. It wasn't necessarily always about work. You know, it was about communicating in terms of what they'd understood in terms of recent communications and recent meetings they'd been to. You know, it's not always about physically about the work you're doing.
Working in industry which is very sort of macho orientated, there's a reluctance to admit from many people. They see it as being a weakness to sort of either challenge somebody about an unsafe behaviour or to receive a challenge about an unsafe behaviour.
For the one-to-one communication process to work, the workforce have to feel it's personal to them, to respond to the initiative emotionally, and understanding the difference between importance and relevance.
We're very happy as individuals to acknowledge a whole load of things are important to us, but actually do nothing about it. Only when it becomes relevant, there's a here and now-ness to it that we've got to do something about it. Do we then start to think, right, I've got to change here, I've got to do something about this. And so at the nexus of that problem is this shift to make it personal, to make it real, so people can buy into it.
You need the emotional pull. You talk to people who are passionate about health and safety. Often there's a human story behind their passion and interest. It could be that they know a relative or a friend or a colleague who's been made injured or ill by work, and that is a very, very powerful force.
This KTP has been funded by the government. It stipulated it should have long-term benefit for UK PLC. Therefore, it needed sustainability. In this regard, the inclusion of PJD Group was critical.
It gets the sustainability that we need. Because anything we've done in the past has been very brief, and then people have gone back to the place of work and lost the essence of what the training was about. But I think with this and with the partners that we've derived and we've got as a package, we've got that sustainability.
The result is that it's improved PJD's standing in the business world by allowing it to add culture change expertise and behaviour safety improvements to its skill set, thereby improving its chances of winning contracts in the future. But it's the involvement of academia that will broaden this programme out and make it a blueprint for the wider business world.
You take out the academic side of it and you lose the rigour, you lose the theoretical perspectives, you lose the cutting edge of academia where we have experts from Manchester Metropolitan who contribute to the growth of the project, to the growth of the associates. So the associate gains from their involvement, and without their involvement he would be, I think, less able to deliver what he needs to deliver.
Government is increasingly wanting us to use the skills and research available in higher education to have immediate impact on the organisations in society. And obviously one way of doing that is through projects such as this, so you're actually going in, dealing with specific challenges that are affecting an organisation now, and the expertise and skills that are available are part of the solution to that problem.
There's so much that could be shared more widely coming out of Fiddler's Ferry. For example, the conversation cards, the near-miss reporting. This is vital data that helps you understand precisely what's going on, how risks are being managed and how you're performing and what you need to address.